Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, eat. Did you eat your lunch? Second, friend. Rahul is my best friend. 3. Our. This is our car. Fourth, ate. I ate a snack. Fifth, soon. She will leave soon. Sixth, under. The cat is under the chair. Seventh, dog. This dog is brown. Eighth, must. You must brush your teeth. Ninth, doll. I have a new doll. 10th, play. Who will play with me? 11th, name. My mother name is Usha. 12, friend. She is my best friend. 13, love. I love her so much. 14th, invite. I invite all my friends. 15th, early. I wake up early in the morning. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.